Are your AirPods suddenly picking up more silence than sound when you try to make a call or record a voice memo? Let's get that AirPod microphone back to its original clarity with these simple fixes. First off, it could be something simple, like some debris clogging the microphone. Take a close look at the small mesh grills on the bottom of your AirPods. Carefully clean these grills using a soft, dry cotton swab or a small brush. Avoid using anything wet, as this can damage the internal components. Gently remove any earwax or dust. Still no luck? Let's check the Bluetooth connection itself on your iPhone or iPad. Go to your settings and then Bluetooth. Make sure your AirPods are connected to your device. If they appear connected, try disconnecting and reconnecting them. You may also want to check the audio output. Open your control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap the AirPlay icon and make sure your AirPods are selected as the audio output. If you are still having issues, you can move on to a reset. Go to Settings, then General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then click Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Bluetooth settings. Lastly, it's always a good idea to ensure your device's software is up to date. The latest versions often include fixes for audio glitches. Visit the App Store and check to see if there is an update needed. Following these steps should get your AirPod microphone working perfectly again, so you can chat and record with crystal clear audio.